Well, we finally got a beautiful warm afternoon. It was cool this morning, much cooler than it has been. And it's been a very cool spring. However, it's nice and sunny out right now, at least this afternoon. And I finally put my silage tarp out. It's been sitting in the rain for the past several days, and now I can put it out to dry before I store it. But that's not the only thing we got going on today. We still got a lot of gardening to do and a lot of plants to get in. I've got fencing to work on. There's plenty to do. And we're gonna start with getting in another row of broccoli, and then we'll see what happens from there and what the weather allows. So let's get to work. You'll see I have a bed of grass on the row that's right next to the fence behind me. I'm going to take some of the extra grass off there down at the other end where it's heavier, and then I'll just plant right through the grass so that the grass can stay in place and keep the weeds down like it's been doing. I use the grass as kind of a temporary solution if I'm not going to plant it for a little bit. And with the way the weather's been lately, it's been really difficult to get in here and plant this spring. But I'm going to throw the broccoli in right now. I have one row growing. I'm going to have another row over here, hopefully that I can freeze for the winter, and it shouldn't take me that long to get it in. Well, here's 24 nice broccoli plants. Can't wait to get these in the ground. Now that the broccoli's planted and all watered in, we have to protect it from insects. So just like on the other side of the garden, I'm going to put up a row cover tonight so that it'll protect it from moths, especially as the summer goes on. Well, I think that's a great job, well done. The row looks fantastic. The broccoli's finally in. And now I have 1 and 2 covered rows of broccoli. So I'm pretty thrilled about that. There are a lot of vegetables I put in last night. I have some peppers, some eggplant, some other tomatoes that I picked up. I've got squashes to put in yet, but it's all coming together pretty quickly. I'm gonna do some trellising here in a little while, but that will be another video. So I think that's it for now. This is Scott at the X-Fed Homestead. We'll see you next time.